This video explains how to use the front wipers on the Kia Ceed III from 2018 to present. We'll cover wiper speeds, auto wipe functionality, and washer control. The Kia Ceed III features a stock-mounted electromechanical wiper system controlled via the left-hand windshield wiper lever. The wiper stalk on the Kia Ceed III controls 4 main speed settings. Position 0 is off, completely deactivating the wipers. Pulling the stalk down once from off triggers a single mist wipe for light moisture removal. The intermittent setting, or N, provides adjustable delays for light moisture, ranging from 3 to 18 seconds, depending on vehicle speed. Low speed, or LO, offers continuous wiping at 45 to 55 cycles per minute for moderate rain. High speed, or HI, provides faster wiping at 60 to 70 cycles per minute for heavy rain. The wipers are driven by an electric motor connected to the vehicle's battery and protected by a fuse. Speed control is managed through relays and sensors that respond to the stalk position. To use the intermittent wiper mode, rotate the end of the wiper stalk. This adjusts the delay between wipes, typically ranging from 3 to 18 seconds depending on the selected speed. It's perfect for light rain or mist. Auto wipe, also known as rain-sensing wipers, is activated by pressing a button on the wiper stalk. This button is usually marked with a raindrop icon for easy identification. When activated, the system uses an optical sensor mounted on the windshield near the rearview mirror. This sensor emits infrared light and detects moisture by measuring how much light is reflected back. As rain intensifies, the sensor detects more moisture, automatically increasing wiper speed from intermittent to continuous operation. The wipers adjust seamlessly to maintain clear visibility. For optimal performance, the sensitivity of the rain sensor can be adjusted. This is typically done by rotating a ring on the wiper stalk or through the vehicle's infotainment system, allowing customization for different weather conditions. Pull the entire wiper stalk toward you to activate the washer pump. This sprays fluid onto the windshield while the wipers engage for 2 to 3 cycles. Only use approved washer fluid to prevent freezing or streaking. The fluid is stored in a reservoir under the hood, with a low fluid warning light on the dashboard. For optimal wiper performance in freezing conditions, park the wipers upright using the accessory position. This lifts the blades off the windshield, preventing them from freezing to the glass and causing damage when you start the vehicle. To maintain auto wipe functionality, clean the windshield sensor regularly. Located near the rearview mirror, this optical sensor detects moisture by measuring light refraction. Dirt or debris can cause false readings, so gently wipe it clean with a soft cloth and mild cleaner. Auto wipe functionality enhances safety through hands-free operation, allowing drivers to maintain focus on the road without manual adjustments. However, the system can malfunction if the windshield is dirty, leading to improper activation or failure to respond to rain. If the wiper motor fails, the wipers will default to manual modes, allowing basic operation despite the malfunction. Check the fuse box for a blown fuse, typically a 15-amp fuse that powers the wiper motor. Wiper blades now use silicone-infused rubber for enhanced durability and quieter operation, improving performance over time. Replace worn blades to maintain optimal visibility. Kia recommends annual replacements, especially in harsh climates where wear occurs faster. Looking ahead, wiper technology is evolving with AI-enhanced systems that use vehicle cameras and external weather data to activate proactively, improving safety in changing conditions. Kia is developing smart wipers that adapt to road splash or fog through advanced driver assistance sensors. Electrification trends point to brushless motors for quieter, more efficient operation. Sustainability efforts focus on self-cleaning coatings and biodegradable washer fluids to reduce environmental impact.